There.
Hello, beautiful people! Maayong buntag. Good morning. Dzień dobry. How's everybody doing? I hope you guys are doing well. Let's prepare snacks. It's almost 10 in the morning. We have here fresh bread. I am just going to heat this one up and I'm going to put cheese on top. So this is gonna be their snacks this morning. And then we're gonna have grape juice. So I have just been preparing juice, right? Sometimes it's pineapple, other times it's orange. This time we're going for grapes. Look at that color, it's so gorgeous. Fiang Fiang is showering with Nana today. There she is. She has been crying because it's so cold. The water is cold, guys. Okay, now, today we're gonna do an update for our project, home renovation project, right? Hi! I'm gonna have to get more of these ice cube tray so we can have more ice. Because also in the afternoon, I need to use ice as well because it gets really hot. And sometimes I would ask Buyek if he wants coffee. But it is really hot in the Philippines, you know. So they prefer anything cold. Hi! Dzień dobry, ang lubot. Dzień dobry, Peng. Peng, dzień dobry. Wow, look at this. Purple, so cute. Okay, I have here mozzarella. I'm just gonna put this on top. So, it's nice. Bang palang. She's so sleepy. Hoy. Oh, you're so sleepy, tak? Alles spać? Co? Co? Śpi? Śpi, 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 śpi. Hi, guys. I'm so sleepy, guys. Look. Pang pang so sleepy. I like your outfit, Pang. Wow. Num num. Wow. 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 Yay. 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 Okay, Fang is asleep in the other room, so we're gonna do a haul of the stuff that I got from DIY. So when we did Papa's operation the other day, I actually snuck out because we were waiting for the doctor for like how many hours. So I was able to grab a few items in DIY. So let me share it with you guys. First, I have here scouring sponges. So I just realized that you actually need to change your sponge every week. So that's why I have a lot of these. Let me know how often do you guys change your sponge, okay? And then I have here, this is the only reason why I wanted to go there, but then I ended up getting other stuff. So it's actually these bottles because I want to store all my juices. So I have here Rasvachush, Teripinch, Shesh. I have here 6 bottles, and that's where I'm gonna put my juice, guys. So I could just do juicing like maybe once or twice a week, and I can store it here. Next, also, I decided to get ice tray because again, I needed to have more since I'm using it every single day. I have here scissors for the kitchen, a sieve because this is needed after juicing. It's best if you sieve it because it's just better. I have here a toilet deodorizer. See, I ended up like just grabbing something that I actually don't need, but like, you know. I have here this beautiful glass as well. So this glass is so pretty. It's a double decal. I think that's what you guys call it. Let me show you. It's so gorgeous. Look at that. See? It's so nice. I decided to get 2 because you always need to get 2. That's pretty much it. Now I'm going to have to clean these. And then I think we're going to do juicing today. I still have a lot of carrots. Well, let's do an update for our home expansion. First things first, we are here in the front of the house because look at this. My gosh, guys, my body is so sore from our excursion last night. I joined them, sis, mom, and cousin. Here. My back is killing me. Last night I could not sleep well because I was like over here. I was the one trying to break the soil because it rained, right? So it was very muddy, like the soil sticking to each other. So yeah, look at this. This is the progress. So initially, the first dump truck was actually poured over here, right? So we have 1, 2, 3. We've already transferred about 3 mini dump trucks, guys, onto the space where we are expanding the terrace. So now we have 2 dump trucks left. I don't think it's gonna be enough. Let's see. You guys will be the judge. I'm gonna take you guys there. let's go over here, guys. Let me show you how does it look now over here, okay? Mom is my videographer currently. Okay. Ah, very busy. Here it is. Tada! So this is a total of 3 mini dump trucks that was already transferred. So yeah, they were actually very productive. I cannot believe they were able to transfer all of these like soil that you guys can see right now. Look, it goes all the way there. They're currently welding. Very loud. Ta-da! And oh, over here, you guys can see that they've already piled the hollow block. So this is a total of, I think, 6 piles of hollow block, guys. So we have one underneath the soil, and then I think it has to be piled another one. So it's going to be a total of 7. So it will be level here in our current terrace. Okay, so this is how it looks currently. The roof's looking good. Now they're welding it. And over here, let me show you, they've already started doing the wall as well on this side. Look, so they have piled 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4, I think, on that side. So I think they're gonna add one more. So that's gonna be 5. So it's gonna level over here. So we have great progress. What do you guys think with the soil? We have 2 more over there that needs to be transferred, but looks like we need more. About 2 more trucks, because we need to tamper this and make sure that it's gonna be hard. And look, that's still like a lot of soil to be poured, especially in that section. And see, it's gonna be over here. So yeah, we need more soil, that's for sure.
Travel on by locomotive, turning of the century. See their fine clothes, soot is turning, satin's black as the night can be. But there's a new line, the lack of walnut, with coal as green as a mountain spring. Through the forest and over water, Northern Railway beauty sings. Didn't you know that Miss Phoebe Stone, her dress stays white both day and night upon the road of anthracite? Tip your cap and pay your fare. Track is winding ever higher. Breathe that New York mountain air. And in the next car, have a nightcap, brandy.
Alright! Mom is now shouting at me. Where is the food? Guys, my goodness, the butig ba? I don't know what is that, like a taro. Yeah, the white one. It takes so long to get soft. See? Look at our lunch today. It looks so good. Ay, nako. They're so eager to eat my cooking. Fiang is awake. So now, oh, ikaw transfer, oh. Wait, sa, I'm gonna put sa for Papa, Tutay. This one, the gabi. That's why Papa said,
gidungan anang lata.
Exactly. Papa said to put the gabi already because it takes so long and I did not realize it indeed took so long. Hay nako. Anyway, bon appetit! Let's eat. See? Look at that. We've been eating soup every single day. It's nice for lunch, you know. I love soup. Tomorrow, I don't know what else to cook. We've already cooked all soups there is. Maybe fish. Or maybe we're gonna have barbecue. We'll see.
And the flows, it can help to pass the time fast on your trip up to Buffalo. Now, Phoebe, don't fret. Bring your book along, yeah. For the cars stay right by electric light upon the road.
Okay, Scarlett and I are gonna play a game. So we have here pancit canton and bread, Mountain Dew. So we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors. Whoever is going to lose will shovel 5 shovel. Yeah, you ready? And then whoever is gonna win will eat. Dobra? Okay. You ready, Pangga?
Yes.
Bato, pick. Ay! Ako may building. Trial pa. Bato, pick.